This is a male Rothschild giraffe. He is living in captivity here at the Uganda Wildlife Education Center. Thousands more of these gentle animals roam freely in 3 of Uganda's national parks in the western and northeastern part of the country. Ugandan wildlife authorities say giraffe populations here are surely but steadily recovering.
In the 60s, we had around 2,500 individuals, but because of the problems, the insurgencies that we had from the 60s to the 80s, we went as low as 250 individuals. Now, from 2010, 2014, we see the numbers going up, and right now we have an estimate of 880.
A recent report by the International Union for Conservation of Nature classified giraffes as vulnerable species. Ugandan authorities say they are stepping up efforts to protect them.
We are trying to put in place a giraffe conservation action plan to manage this species of wildlife, the giraffe. We have already set the concept. We are now on developing the further steps to come up with that giraffe conservation action plan. And we think this action plan will help the conservation of giraffes to the future for generations to come.
Giraffes inhabit savanna grasslands and open woodlands, but they have already become extinct in some countries. The Rothschild subspecies is only found naturally in Uganda and Kenya. Like a human fingerprint, every giraffe has a unique skin pattern, and every giraffe lost is another dent to the hopes of keeping herd numbers up. Conservationists here say humans need to rethink the way they relate to other animals and the environment if we are to save the world's tallest animal. Protection of giraffes' natural habitat and increasing awareness are 2 priorities for conservationists.
The biggest threat to their survival, habitat destruction. We are first converting the forest, which is their homes, into areas for settlement, agriculture, and so forth. The other thing is the Rothschild giraffe is also being hunted for meat, but most important because of the tail.
The tail is seen by some as a status symbol used in jewelry. So despite the growing numbers, the giraffe is still under threat. The Rothschild giraffe is taller than other subspecies. Males can grow up to 6 meters in height and weigh over 2,000 kilograms. Michael Baleke, CCTV, Entebbe, Uganda.